What's up, everybody? This is Chad from North Mini Bikes. Just out in the shop getting dirty today. I wanted to go over some things. I guess I'm going to start making more talky videos because it seems like everybody likes the talky videos. Me, most times you're online, nobody gives a damn what you got to say anyways. Whatever, we'll do some talky videos. I'm out here working on this bike. This green I got from Custom Cans, which I've had pretty good luck with them. This green has straight pissed me off. One can of the base color white, did all these parts, the frame, everything. Oops, wrong. I gotta use a gimbal to use this anamorphic lens. It's above my pay grade. So anyways, one can of white did all this stuff, okay? Twice. I got 2 cans of the green to make sure that I had plenty. It wasn't even close. And when you get the 2 cans, the white one, base color is nice and heavy. There's a lot of paint in there. These custom colors, I mean, it's about half the weight in the can, and it just kind of pissed me off. So now I had to wait another week or so to get another couple cans here so that I can finish the bike. I'm trying to get this one done for the swap meet, whatever, the Detroit show swap meet. I think I'm gonna bring this one down too. And plus I just put this TM Mikuni on there. It's a real Mikuni, not that crap, clone crap. I mean, clone crap still works, but Jesus, if I gotta spend the money, I want the real deal Holyfield, okay? I'm gonna try to put this one in the show. It's kind of big for a mini bike show, but we'll see. We'll see what Frank says. I've been talking to him. So this is the new one with the big fat tire. This is a sugar apple green, they call it. It's like a green candy with a gold pearl in it. And this is the motor I'm gonna put in it. This is a 225 RS from Tillotson. I had to make my own exhaust so it fit right where I wanted it and stuff. I got the Juggernaut tuning kit in there. One thing I'm pretty excited about is getting this GT's bike back on the road. I built a brand new engine for it, all decked out inside, all the good stuff, and I finally got things straightened out as far as I know. So I'm not sure if you're tracking my channel, but I made a ball bearing kit for a GT's frame. There's spacers and shims and ball bearings in there that make the steering just butter. M22, we're not M22 anymore. We are North Mini Bikes. We had to change. I need to do stickers on this stuff. But like I was saying, this bike is just never run right. I mean, not the engine, the bike. It just wobbles all over the hell. So I had to put this in there. And then basically what I found was, you know, I have the wheels and tires perfectly centered. I've measured, used lasers. It's in the middle. And the son of a fucking thing fucking wobbles like a bitch, and you get about 35 miles an hour. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So the only thing I could find was that resistance here causes you to overcorrect. There it goes. So like I said, it's still a grade 8 bolt that goes through there. But like I said, it's got ball bearings. You can't beat that. All right. This is a pretty nice bike. It's real comfortable. You guys see there my little fix for short necks, so you get better stability. This has been ridden. She's got some scuffs on it and stuff. I will probably bring this one to the show as well, and this one might have a for sale sign on it too. This is a pretty nice riding bike. She's pretty quick. Straight chain, she'd do about 70, but I just wanted more power, so I put a torque converter on there.